How to delete compound clip in the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit. Now the compound clip is the video that you add after adding the first video. So this is the first video right here, and this is the compound clip right here on the video timeline track. Now to delete it, simply tap on it just like this. Then here you can find the delete option just right here. Now select it, and now you can see it is easily deleted. In the Filmora app, you cannot mix the clips in between like how you do in the website. So this is how you can delete the compound clip in the Filmora app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.